Hello, hi. Guess who I am? You can see I'm getting my mehndi done. Yes, it's me. I'm the bride. I'm getting married. Yes, and to somebody who I've known for 8 years.
Oh, my beautiful mother, she told me, son, in life you're gonna
Because we've been like study buddies. Met in undergrads, DU, lived college life together, worked together for 2 years, and been enjoying our lives together for the rest of the remaining years that we've spent together. So yes, looking forward to having a wonderful life with him, with Karan. So wish me luck. We'll seek your blessing.
to share this view of the night, a glorious night. Over the horizon is another bright sky. Oh my, how beautiful. Oh my.
मेरी बेटी की शादी है, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मेरी छोटी बेटी है, बड़ी बेटी की शादी हो चुकी है, छोटी बेटी की शादी। मैं बस यही उम्मीद करती हूँ कि अपने घर में रहे, खुश रहे, आबाद रहे, सुखी रहे और इसका घर बना रहे, जहाँ भी जाए घर में सबको खुशी दे और खुश रखे और परिवार को भी खुश रखे और आप भी खुश, अपने घर वाले को भी सबको खुश रखे। बस मेरी यही होप है, खुश रहे और इसका संसार बना रहे।
You can always come back. Every road is a slippery slope. There is always a hand that you can hold on to. Looking deeper through
बहुत प्यार करती हूँ इससे, आगे जाके सुख शांति से रहे और बहुत प्यार ले आगे। हम बहुत प्यार करते हैं सब इससे। ऐसे ही 2 साल से दूर रह रही है, वो तो हमें महसूस हो रहा है कि अब देर और दूर चली जाएगी। बेटियां तो प्रायदान होती हैं, उन्होंने फिर जाना ही होता है बेटे, पर बड़ी मुश्किल से गई मैं।
Karan, भाई तू तो गया. You don't know what you have put yourself into. इसके साथ रहना मेरी बस हो गई है. अब तू संभाल ले. मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है. I cannot cope up with her laziness, and I hope you can. And I wish you all the best for that. Otherwise, jokes apart, I wish you both all the best for your life. I hope you guys get to see the world together, have a wonderful life together. सच में पर तेरे को बहुत बर्दाश्त करना पड़ेगा. All the best for that. और God bless you. Love you both. Love you so much.
हेलो। शादी को लेकर फीलिंग्स वही हैं जो एक 26 साल के लड़के को होती हैं। जल्दी हो रही है थोड़ी सी, बट ठीक है, चलेगा मेरे को, बिकॉज आई एम मैरिंग समवन दैट आई हैव नोन फॉर 8 years नाउ and I wanted to marry her. I waited for this day for 4 years, so I don't think so it's going to be that big a deal. मेरे दोस्त मुझे ज़्यादा डरा रहे हैं of course, and as far as life ahead, I would say I'm looking forward to Dubai. Dubai is going to be a lot of fun, and बस थोड़ा सा डर है because it's Garima Bhamri, and it's a big deal in itself. So only jitters are about marrying Garima Bhamri. ये है, और बाकी I think most of you watching this video know how we met, and yes, we had a great friendship which has now finally taken this turn, and I'm very happy it did. I was the one who wanted, for obvious reasons, of course, that is pretty obvious. And yeah, what else? That's it. That's more or less. Baki, if you say about my parents are happy, which is also very important for me. Her parents are happy, which is also very important. So unki blessings hai. That is all. That is the most important thing that we need. And yeah. Otherwise, also she's everything that I ever wished for. So I'm pretty happy. Looking forward to the 2 days of fun and dance and a lot of craziness. So. Alright, thank you for everyone for coming and making this wedding a special one. I love you all.
So Garima and Karan are getting married. I plan to do a lot of things for the wedding, but unfortunately or fortunately, I'm not able to do them. So that is why I'm doing this bit for them, and I don't know what to say, but what I'll say is all the best, Karan and Garima. I know you will do wonders in life, and I know Karan for sure कि सेल्स की प्रोफाइल दुबई के लिए परफेक्ट है, उससे बेटर कुछ भी नहीं है.
I'm on top of the world, I'm on top of the world, waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, been holding it in for a while, take you with me if I can, been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
Garima and Karan, this is for you, by the way.
Bobby Red Baba.
या काका with something.
Achha, so first, when we met Garima and Karan, was how many years back? 8 years back.
8 years.
Karan was this guy who came from Lucknow.
Who used to come to our house every day.
His
Most of
house.
the time.
Ah, seriously?
Proper. He used to come to Garima's house every now and then. He used to come to Garima, we got his we got the fun.
Going on. There is something fishy.
But finally they're getting married.
I feel very happy for them.
Yeah.
So, here's to
So
Karan and Garima.
I wish you all the best.
Here's to Karan and Garima. A very happy married life.
And please continue to stay in Dubai so that we can come there very, very often and party with you guys.
I'm on top of the world, I'm on top of the world, waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, been holding it in for a while, take you with me if I can, been dreaming of this since a child. And I know it's hard when you're falling down and it's a long way up and you make
Hi,
Vinny
Karan,
and
Garima,
Congratulations.
and all the best for your new life.
God
May God bless
bless
you.
you.
Have a great life.
Vinny भैया, wish you very 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 happy married life. I'm so glad कि हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं and I could make it for the wedding. तू शादी कर रहा है seriously, तू एक लड़की के साथ सेटल होने वाला है. We cannot believe that. But all the best. I hope you have a wonderful, awesome life and have a blast.
Many congratulations, Vinny Bhaiya and Garima. We're so happy for you guys to finally see you guys together, and lots of fun in the future.
Garima, you're getting
With
a lot
us.
of responsibility.
Yes.
Bye.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands.
Hi Vinny Bhaiya, congratulations on your wedding. We are so happy that you and Garima have found each other and we wish you all the luck in the world. Have a great life and have fun on your honeymoon.
Congratulations, Vinny Bhaiya. It seems like just yesterday we were playing FIFA together and now you've grown up and getting married. Anyways, congratulations and have a good life.
Congratulations, Vinny Bhaiya. I'm very happy that you and Garima are getting married because I've somehow always known about you guys. And it's very cute and it's very like fairy tale-ish that you guys are getting married and I'm very happy. So congratulations.
Hello, Vinny Bhaiya, Bhabhi. मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। बड़े मज़ा आ रहा है और मैंने शादी में बहुत मज़े किए काफ़ी, और बहुत अच्छे से आप दोनों के फ्रेंड्स के साथ मिक्सअप हुआ। और मुझे याद है कुछ साल पहले जब भैया घर आता था और अपने फ्रेंड्स की फ़ोटोज़ दिखाता था, तो उसमें भाभी की फ़ोटोज़ देख के मम्मी कहती थी ये लड़की मुझे बड़ी पसंद है। फिर जब भैया ने फाइनली बताया कि इसी लड़की से शादी करनी है, तो चाचा कहते हैं अरे इसे तो मैं दोस्त ही समझता था, तो प्यार निकला। उसके बाद फिर विश यू ऑल द लव इन द वर्ल्ड एंड हैव अ ग्रेट मैरिड लाइफ।